The Trump administration is proposing to deny green cards to immigrants deemed likely to rely on government support, a move that could affect millions and reshape the contours of legal residency in America. We will walk you through what the proposed rule change involves, why the administration says it is needed, how critics respond, who is likely to be affected, and what this means for future immigration policy worldwide. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for full coverage of global developments. Officials at the Department of Homeland Security have drafted a new regulation under the heading Public Charge Ground of Inadmissibility, which will be published on November 19, 2025 and open to public comment for the next 30 days. Under the proposed rule, immigration officers would receive broadened discretion to evaluate whether an applicant for a green card is likely to become dependent on federal or state assistance programs, including but not limited to food stamps, Medicaid, or housing support, any of which could now count against eligibility. The Trump administration argues that the previous rule, instituted in December 2022 under the Biden administration, limited the government's ability to ensure that immigrants admitted for permanent residence are self-reliant rather than becoming a public burden. In practice, the proposed change would expand the factors considered during a green card application review. Age, health, family situation, financial status, education, and skills remain relevant, but now the prior usage or predicted usage of certain benefits may elevate an applicant into the inadmissible category. Critics warn that the policy could discourage immigrants and their families, including those legally present, from accessing food support or health care out of fear that doing so might jeopardize their path to permanent residency. They say this could lead to worse public health outcomes and greater financial strain on hospitals. The timeline and implementation are key. Once the rule is published, there will be a 30-day comment period, following which final regulations may be issued. Until then, the current rule remains in place, but the expectation of change may already affect behaviors. This proposed rule reflects the Trump administration's broader immigration agenda, emphasizing self-sufficiency, limiting public spending on immigrant benefits, and redefining the criteria for permanent residency. Whether the rule will withstand legal challenge or shift the immigration landscape significantly remains to be seen. For in-depth coverage of this story and more international policy developments, stay tuned to the Indian Express. And before you go, please subscribe to our channel for continuous updates and trusted journalism.